On this slide, we have simplified by combining like terms, and we have two different expressions. So these expressions, I know that it's an expression because I don't see an actual equal sign first off. So let's label this as number 1, and this one is number 2. So let's look at the first one, number 1. We have minus 3x plus 90 minus 25x. So we look at from the previous slide where we were combining the like terms. Here I have 1, 2, 3 terms because they're all separated by plus and minus signs. And so what we're going to do here is find what do I have that's the same. So in other words, that has either just a plain number with no variable or letter, or which one looks, well, like the same, right? So for example, I have minus 3x. For my next two terms, I know that 90, I cannot add 90 with the 3x because it does not have an x. But I do have a minus 25x, and those two make it the same because it have the same letter at the end. So go into my calculator. I'm going to go ahead and put minus 3 minus 25. And I get that is minus 28. Okay, so just put this again. Okay, so that was going to equal to minus 28x. And then the 90 is just there. There's nothing else to combine that with. There's no other term that's boxed with it. So it's just plus 90. Okay, looking at the second one, I'm going to go ahead and move. Whoop. I'm going to go ahead and move my video. This one's just a little bit bigger, but let's go ahead and also combine our stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and box 87. I'm looking for any number that also does not have a letter. So I see minus 26. And I'm going to box also the minus because that's in front of the 26. That's the action that tells us what we need to be doing. Okay, then I'm going to circle plus 25a. And I'm going to see, is there anything else here from this side that has not been circled or boxed that has an A? Well, I see that this 8 also has an A. And then there's some 10R. There's nothing else to combine that with, so we're going to leave that where it's at. Okay, and over here, I was looking for hopefully color black for ink. Okay, so looking at the pink, 87 minus 26. You can put that in your calculator, and that is 61. Then I have the blue right where I have my A's. So we have 25. It's a positive 25 minus, it's important to put that minus 8 minus 8 is 17. It is a positive 17, so I need to put a plus 17, and then it's an A because they both have an A. All right, then the next thing that we just have is that plus 10R at the end, which I'm actually going to change the color because you can't really see that. And that's it. There's nothing else that has an A. There's nothing else that has an R. So that's it. That's the only thing that we'd have to do there.